Okay guys, so over here at the road service I'm gonna do a air dryer, and I thought that I have one, but it's a wrong one. Thought that I have one in stock, but it was a wrong one. It's a lot bigger and it's completely different. So we just went to the dealership and got the right one. I'm gonna be replacing in a second. Just started to take it off. Just gonna have to ready some hoses. I'm just pulling it off in a second. That's how you turn a tire fitting. The air dryer on this truck, that's one of my buddies from Georgia. I used to drive for this guy. He's my ex-boss. So there is a new air dryer. I hope it's gonna be working. The old one was leaking oil, air through the purge valve right here. And they didn't have the new purge valve in stock. We decided to change everything new. I had one in stock, but that's a different one. It's a bigger one. So I had to go to the dealership for like 40 miles and then come back. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's perfect. It's not leaking air anymore. Good? Yeah. Right now it's good. Okay, so this job is done. Say something, my man. That's my...
Thank you to Naomi's Park and Trucks.
Thank you, sir.
Great service.
Thank you very much. Whenever you stop over here, you got problems, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we got back to the shop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and park inside the shop and we'll go for today. Here's the yard. I'm gonna go inside the shop because I have to do some work on my service truck. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, everybody.